Here are some steps you can try to fix pending downloads on the Google Play Store. Number 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. You can try turning your Wi-Fi off and on or switching to a different network. Number 2. Clear Play Store cache. Go to your device settings, find the Apps or Application Manager section. Locate Google Play Store and clear its cache and data. Then restart your device and try downloading again. Number 3. Restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Turn off your device completely. Wait for a few seconds and then power it back on. Number 4. Check available storage. Make sure your device has enough free storage space to download and install apps. Delete unnecessary files or move them to an external storage device to free up space. Number 5. Update Play Store. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Google Play Store app installed on the device. You can check for updates in the Play Store settings or by visiting the Play Store page on your device App Store. Number 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy connection, try disabling it temporarily as it may interfere with the download process. Number 7. Disable battery optimization. Go to your device settings, find the battery or power section, locate Google Play Store, and disable battery optimization for the app. This helps prevent the system from excessively restricting background activities. Number 8 and final step, remove and re-add Google account. In your device setting, go to the Accounts or Users and Accounts section. Remove your Google account and then add it back again. This can sometimes resolve account related issues. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may consider contacting Google Play Store support for further assistance.